Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of first impressions. Now, a lot of my makeup was piling up and a lot of it was brand new products that I really wanted to try out on camera. So that's what I did today for you guys. Now, some of it was a major fail. So quite funny, some things just did not work out at all for me, but a lot of it really did and I really liked the look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and my first impressions, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take these clips and just clip my hair out of my face. I am going to be doing a full face of first impressions. My drawers were seriously overflowing, filled with new makeup products. I have some new makeup from Sephora, I have ColourPop, I have a ton of different things, and I've been really wanting to try out this new Flamingo eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. So on the inside you do get 20 shades, it is $45, and I've only swatched this, I haven't used it on my eyes, so today we're going to use this and do like a fun, colorful look, something a little bit different for me. So I'm going to do my eyes first, and if my face does look shiny, it's because I'm using this new Cora oil. It's very hydrating, very expensive, and it just gives you a very nice glow, but that's why I look a little bit dewy. So I'm going to zoom you guys in, and we're going to do eyes first. Alright, so I already put concealer on my eyes, but I am going to set the concealer with this shade right here in Sand. And it looks like it's the lightest cream shade, but it kind of looks a little bit tan. So I'm just going to put this all over my eyes, just so we can set that concealer and the shadows will blend a little bit easier. Right, so a lot of these colors are speaking to me, but I don't really know what I'm doing today. So I think I'm gonna go in with some orange and like peachy shades, and then I'm also wanting to use that teal and that purple. So kind of gonna do like an orangey teal purple look and see how this turns out. I'm gonna take Sunbathe, that light creamsicle shade, and put this into my crease. Okay, very, very pigmented color already. So this is a matte, but it is performing really well. And it looks like it's blending really easily. Next, I'm going to take Popsicle and put that right underneath that first shade. Alright, next I'm going to take Flamingo and I'm going to work that a little bit lower in that crease as well. I'm going to take it on the same brush and just work this into the crease, staying a little bit up higher, but it's okay if I'm a little bit more messy because I am going to cut the crease. The next thing I'm going to do is take my ColourPop concealer and I'm going to actually carve out this crease. Okay, next I really want to take Bikini, which is that purple, and put this on my lid. I don't know if I'm going to bring it all the way up, but I am going to put this on. I'm going to spray my brush with some Skindinavia setting spray and then go in with Bikini just so I can get a little bit more pigment. Okay, off camera, I'm going to put on some lashes and some winged liner so everything can kind of tie together. So I'll be right back. Lashes and liner are on. I'm just going to take my Smashbox Superfan Mascara and I'm going to blend the fake lashes in with my real ones. This was my first time trying this mascara and I actually just used it off camera on my real lashes. And it gave a lot of like separation, but it did not give a lot of volume. So that's my first impression on that. Lengthening and separating, not volume with this one. And now I'm gonna work on my face and I'm gonna go back to my eyes later on. So I'm going to take a new primer today. I'm gonna use the OFRA Cosmetics Cool as a Cucumber Moisturizing Primer. I've never tried this, so we're gonna try it out. It's literally not coming out. Okay, so maybe I got a dud because this isn't coming out. I'm just gonna open it up. And no, I can't even use this. Can I not use this? Aha, it's coming finally. Okay, I'm gonna use this on my skin. So it says it hydrates, soothes, and smooths all in one. So let's try it out. It does have a light scent of cucumbers, but it also smells like Urban Decay's setting spray, which I don't love the scent of that. No, I don't love it. Okay, this feels very sticky on the skin. Very sticky and kind of thick. Huh. Alright. I'm used to like such like a silky primer, and this is just like sticky and a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go in with a new ColourPop foundation. This is the No Filter foundation. I got it in the shade Light 75. I have no idea if this is going to match me or not. It looks very peachy. I tried to look online and find like a shade that looked like me, but it's so hard online. So let's see. Ooh, it actually looks real dark. We're gonna have to blend this all the way down. Wow. And it's very, very, very peachy. Looks like it's more of like a runny consistency. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques sponge and blend this in and hope that it blends. It's very like peachy. That looks, wow, that looks bad.
This looks like I'm smearing cantaloupe fried chicken on my face. Oh, well, this is a fail if I've ever seen one. What the hell? Oh my god. I look like I look like Donald Trump.
Okay, this shade is so bad. And I already smeared it all over my face. I literally have to take this off right now, you guys. This is this is ridiculous. I'm taking it off because I'm not going to walk around looking like fried chicken all day. So we're taking this one off. I'm gonna try a new foundation, a different one. I'm just gonna go grab it. But this, whoo, honey, that was bad. Okay, I grabbed a different foundation. I'm gonna try the Dior Forever. This is a perfect makeup everlasting wear, pore refining effect with sunscreen SPF 35. Now, I've already put this on my hand, and this looked a little bit better, like less orange toned. This one's in the shade medium beige, so a little less orange. We're gonna blend this in and pray to the gods that it does not look like that first one. Okay, yeah. This is much better. It's still damn dark for me. But I'm gonna blend it down my neck, and hopefully with concealer we can brighten this whole thing up. Okay, you guys, I know what you're thinking. Equally as bad as the first one. I'm going to try and brighten the hell out of my face using the ColourPop concealer. We need to bring some light back into my face and hopefully turn this foundation less orange, because it's looking very orange. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm hoping this will help a lot. Okay, so it's looking better. It's still darker than what I am, to be honest. I mean, my body is pretty tan. My chest and my neck don't get tan ever. So we're just gonna try and work with it for the day. I'm gonna grab a setting powder and kind of bake it into my skin and hope that that lightens up my complexion a little. So I sat here baking for a few minutes, so I'm just gonna wipe this away. And I was just kind of hoping that it would lighten up my face a little bit, which it did. So that's good. I am going to take a bronzer. I don't know why. I'm going to take a bronzer very lightly. My Marc Jacobs Coconut Bronzer. I'm lightly going to dust this because I am pretty tan. I'm mainly going to focus this on my neck, actually. So I'm just going to put a little here. This actually is not new, but it's the only thing that I'm using that is not new. I'm going to run this down my neck because that's where we need it. I haven't tried this out, but this is from Pixie and Aspen Ovard. This is a blush that she came out with. You can find this at Target. And I haven't used it, but I bought it so long ago. So this is what the blush looks like. It's actually a huge blush. Very, very big. And it does have some shimmer in it, so I'm just going to lightly apply this. Ooh, it has some like gold in it. It kind of looks like Orgasm from NARS. Alright, a little bit more glowy than I wanted to be, but that's the blush. It already kind of looks like I have a highlight on, but I am going to use a Pixie highlight. So this one I haven't used, but this is the Glowy Gossamer Duo in Subtle Sunrise. I've tried the other one from Pixi, but I haven't tried this one on my face. So I'm going to use more of that sunrise color. Alright, that's pretty. Now I want to do something on the lower lash line. I want to do a pop. So I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. This is in Banana Daiquiri and it's a really pretty bright teal. I'm going to run this underneath the lash line and put even more color onto this eye look. Alright, I am going to go over that ColourPop shadow with Tidal Wave, which is a very similar shade. I'm just going to kind of set it with this color. Okay, moving on to lips, I'm going to take this ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and this is in the shade BFF, and it's a really pretty nude, but I haven't tried it yet on my lips, so we're going to try this out. I feel like my skin looks really horrible from that foundation. And like, Ted, this isn't a time to do that. Teddy. Okay, so I really like this lip liner. It's a little bit light, but it's still pretty. That's the lip liner. I am going to fill in my lips with a lipstick. Sorry if you can hear Teddy, he's playing with his toys. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow lipstick. So I haven't tried this on my lips before, so I'm gonna try it today. But it looks like it matches that lip liner perfectly. The last thing I'm gonna do is take my Skindinavia setting spray and just spray my face, so it locks everything in. I do really like my eyes, but my face I am not liking. I don't know if it's the foundation, I don't know if it's the primer. The foundation was clearly not my right shade, and I don't really like that blush either. It's like too glowy of a blush. It just looks like my face is a little bit more shiny. I do like the lip color a lot. This is like more of like a cool tone nude, which I think is really pretty. So I would say my favorite part is the eyes, the eyeshadow, and the lips. The face, the complexion, not a huge fan of. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link all the products that I used down below in the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!